Ever wondered which web design software tops the charts? Or perhaps you're curious about the differences between them? Well, today, we dive into the depths of the web design world, comparing and contrasting the features of some of the most popular software on the market. First up is Adobe Dreamweaver. This software is a powerhouse, providing users with a comprehensive toolkit for both designing and coding. It offers a rich set of features, including a multi-screen preview panel, CSS design capabilities, and robust support for JavaScript and jQuery. The only downside? It might be a bit overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive features. Next, we have Sketch. This software is a crowd favorite, particularly in the graphics design realm. Sketch shines in its simplicity and user-friendly interface, making it an attractive choice for beginners and experienced designers alike. However, it lacks a few features that other software like Dreamweaver provides, such as comprehensive coding support. Third on our list is Figma. This online solution is perfect for collaborative design. Figma's real-time collaboration feature allows team members to work together seamlessly, making it an excellent choice for large teams. However, it might not be the best option for those working independently. For those just dipping their toes into the web design waters, WordPress is a great starting point. This software is user-friendly and offers a plethora of customizable templates. It's perfect for building your website from scratch, even with little to no prior experience. However, it might not offer as much creative freedom as other software on our list. Finally, we have Webflow. This platform is both interactive and powerful, offering a range of advanced features for website design and development. It provides a high level of control over your website's design, but it might be a little complex for beginners. So there you have it, a quick rundown of the top 5 web design software on the market. Adobe Dreamweaver, with its comprehensive toolkit, Sketch, known for its user-friendly interface, Figma, the go-to for collaborative design, WordPress, the beginner-friendly option, and Webflow, for those seeking advanced design control. Remember, the best software depends on your specific needs, so take the time to explore these options and decide which one suits you best. If you found this information helpful, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more insightful content. Until next time.